We just had torrential rain, so really looking forward to the waterfall. Should be pretty good.
Welcome back to Backroad Journals.
Welcome back.
We're gonna go on a little hike today. We're gonna keep it local, but our friend Ron told us about this waterfall in the backside of Port Alberni, so we're gonna check it out. I haven't been there yet, but we're gonna take you along with us.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good hike. We have not been there yet, so we'll see everything for the first time, and so will you. Well, we got the creek down there, and we're just gonna follow it along until we get to the waterfall. Let's see how long it's gonna take us. So we've had a lot of snow over the last week, and then all melted away, and after that we just had torrential rain. So really looking forward to the waterfall. Should be pretty good.
Bigger than I thought it was going to be. Water coming down. Seems everywhere you turn on Vancouver Island, there's just so much beauty. It's spectacular. And sometimes it's just right out your back door. Get out and explore.
You want to set up down there?
Yeah, it's a good place to set up, eh?
Yeah. Not a bad spot at all. Not a bad spot at all. Man, that brings back so many childhood memories. Just climbing around in the woods and exploring stuff. This is so cool. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer, but it's super slippery. Really gotta watch out. Alright, Michelle's down there. I think going back down is gonna be a bit more tricky than coming up. So one of the reasons we're here, well, I want to get out and wanted to see that waterfall, but I also wanted to take some pictures, and I will actually posting the whole process in a separate video on how I go about it. That will probably be coming out on a Wednesday, I think, at this point. We'll see the whole setup and how I go about taking the pictures that I have in mind here. Waterfalls are just, besides the ocean, maybe my favorite subject. They give you so much opportunity, and it's so much creativity that you can put into, not just when you're taking the pictures, but long exposure, short exposure, and you know, all kinds of different things that you can do. But also post-processing, it's a lot of fun to do it. And today looks like a really good day to do it, because everything is so lush. Everything is super green. You can see in the background there the moss on the rocks and the ferns and everything. Super cool. That's got me excited, that's for sure. So I'm going to start setting up, show you a little bit of it, but I think the main video will be coming out, I think, on Wednesday after this video is out. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to check it out. So this is the section here that I have in mind for a little bit of maybe a long exposure here. That would work out quite well. See the water coming right there around the rocks. Let me show you what I'm looking at. I've got this in live view right now. I usually don't shoot in live view. I usually go through the viewfinder. But this is what I have in mind. You see to the right, there's some leaves. I might keep them in there and see what's going to happen. Just as foreground, a little bit of framing there maybe. And I might zoom in a little bit more too, but I'll try a few shots here. Anyways, that's kind of the spot here. And I may move around a bit again to find a different composition, but for now, that actually looks pretty good to me. So that was a fun little hike.
Yeah, that was good.
That was good, eh?
Yeah.
We didn't really know that this existed if it wasn't for Ron.
Yeah. Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, thank you so much for letting us know about this spot. This is really only a 5-minute drive from our house, really.
Yeah.
And then once you get to the trailhead, it's maybe a 10-minute hike.
Yeah, about that.
Relatively easy, so well, no.
Depends on how many times you stop.
Yeah. Yeah, filming along the way takes up a little bit more time than 10 minutes.
More like 2 hours. It's okay.
Anyways, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. And what are you supposed to do?
Please subscribe. It's completely free. Like and comment. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Maybe sooner, but definitely by the end of this year.
Yes, so that's
our goal.
That's our goal, and we really do appreciate all your support along the way.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. And we'll see you next week.
We'll see you next week.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.